Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot the permission denied for the public key error in GitHub. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically in this video, we're just going to follow this article or this GitHub documentation that is discussing exactly this problem. And as you can see here, for this permission denied for the public key, it is or means that the server rejected a connection. And those are some problems or some errors that could be or some things that could be the reason. And you will need first to make sure that you are connecting to the correct server. So of course, if you are connecting with SSH, you will be you can debug your connection, and from there you can see this output, so you can see that you are connecting to the correct server. And basically from here you can find this is just within your configuration, etc. And from here you can see your connection, and here you will need to be on the ports 22 uh, since it is the normal connection for or the normal port or the default port for an SSH connection. And there is another things or another tip to use it is by using your GitHub username. And basically from here you will find that the permission is denied. Then you can just start connecting with your Git, and basically you will need to use in case you are using remote URL with your GitHub username, and then you can change the URL to the Git user, which means the other user. And from here you can just SSH to the user uh, at github.com. This is the address, etc. And from here you can find your username and you have successfully authenticated. Also, you will need to make sure that you have a key that is being used. So basically, you will be needing to turn on the SSH agent. And basically, you can do it in any ways. And basically, we will be needing to turn the SSH agent, and then you can verify if you have a private key generated and loaded into SSH. And basically, this is the key that would be connecting or verified to connect to the server. And by that, you will be able to solve this problem. So thank you for watching and see you next time.